Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Jeep Wrangler Sport that is factory certified, so your investment will be protected for years to come. On the exterior of this Wrangler, we have fog lights, beautiful black wheels, easy to remove hardtop, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 4, telescoping steering wheel, and push-to-start technology. The LCD screen display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected, and the steering wheel mounted audio controls keeps everything at your fingertips. This 2019 Jeep Wrangler has less than 21,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.